Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Guys, today I'm going to talk about weekly prediction, which has started from 1st of February 2021 to 7th of February 2021. You know very well, my all prediction are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with your moon sign or zodiac sign or sun sign. And my all prediction are based on Indian Vedic astrology, nothing to do with Western astrology. Just follow your ascendant sign and watch my video. You will definitely get some information related to your upcoming week. So let's start for the Aries ascendants. Aries ascendants from 1st February to 7th February 2021. You will be sky high and top. Your ascendant Lord transit in your first house, and Jupiter Saturn is in your 10th house but combust. This is a very, very rewarding week for you. You will get blessed with a lot of money. Your source of earning will develop. You will get name, fame, prosperity. Your health will fine. You will enjoy all comforts. If you want to start something new, then this week is very rewarding for you. Especially Monday and Tuesday is very beneficial day for you. You will get blessed with a new business deal. You will feel much relaxed and comfort. You will spend some time with your family and friend. Monday and Tuesday will be ultimate days for you. You will enjoy all around success. Your health will fine, and you may be entering a new business horizon. Some foreign transactions will make you happy. Unexpected gains will make you happy. You will enjoy all around success. Wednesday and Thursday will be a much better days for you, when you may sign new documents or new deal, or some unexpected money you may earn from stock market. Aries, you need to perform your best. This whole week brings lot of positivity, lot of new opportunities will knock you, and some new partnership deals I seen as per dynamics, because Mars is in very well position in your first house, and Jupiter, Saturn, Sun and Venus also transit in your 10th house. Dasam Bhav, 10th house is a house of profession and karma. 4 planet transit in your 10th house, which will give you fantastic results. And if you want to start something new, then Wednesday, Thursday, Tuesday, Friday will be ultimate days for you. Even this whole week brings a lot of happiness, lot of positivity. If you want to invest your money in stock market, you may invest. If you want to start something new, you may start, because you will blessed with a 4 planet in 10th house, which will be a biggest game changer planet in your Dasam Bhav, in your 10th house. You will be blessed with a lot of success. You will get name, fame from your workplace. If you are unemployed, you may get job. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. You will enjoy all around success. Aries, you need to perform your best, because this whole week brings lot of happiness for you. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. You will enjoy great success. You just need to perform your best at your workplace. You will be blessed with a lot of success. Now I'm going to talk about Taurus ascendants. Taurus ascendants, 4 planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Sun and Venus transit in your 9th house, Bhagya house, house of fortune. And Mars is transit in your 12th house. Some work pressure will irritate you, but good fortune is in your favor. You may start something new, or you will enjoy a lot of good moments at your family and friends. Your seniors will be appreciate you, because you will perform, you will try to give your best at your workplace, and you will success. You will achieve lot of big milestones at your workplace, because your fortune is in your hand. Some new business deal will make you happy. You will earn a lot of money. If you are doctor, if you are engineer, if you are lawyer, if you are advocate, you will be sky high and top, because your good fortune is in your favor. Jupiter, Saturn, Sun, Venus, this whole week transit in your 9th house, Navam Bhav. Good fortune is in your favor. Some unexpected money will make you happy. If you are businessman, you will see sudden growth in your professional life. If you are importer, exporter, you will be blessed with some foreign transactions. Some foreign transactions will make you happy, and you will feel much relaxed and comfort. Taurus, this whole week brings a lot of positivity, great success for you. You just need to perform your best and enjoy your each single minute at your workplace, because your seniors will be very satisfied from your performance, because you are performing your best. Taurus, this whole week, Monday, Tuesday is one of the best days for you. If you want to switch off your job, then Monday, Tuesday is very rewarding days for you. If you want to start something new, in your business, then Monday and Tuesday very rewarding for you. You may invest your money somewhere, you will get fantastic results. Your source of earning will develop and you will enjoy a lot of comforts. Your health will fine and your relationship with your family and friends will be ultimate. Taurus, you just need to perform your best. Wednesday and Thursday, again, you will be sky high and top. You will enjoy all around success, but some overwork pressure will irritate you. Just enjoy your work pressure, because these days never come back in your life when Jupiter, Saturn, Karam, Dharam, Adhapati, Yogya in your 9th house. And your ascendant Lord also transit in your 9th house. There is a strong chances you will blessed with the increment, or you will blessed with any promotion at your workplace. Taurus, you just need to perform your best. This whole week brings a lot of happiness and positivity for you. Wednesday and Thursday, you will get some good news from your seniors. Some email or some phone calls will make you happy. Unexpected money will make you happy. You will earn a lot of money, name, fame, prosperity. Taurus, do your best, perform your best. Now good fortune is in your favor. The more you put your efforts at your workplace, the more you get fantastic results. Now I'm going to talk about Gemini Ascendants. Gemini Ascendants, this whole week, 4 planets is in your 8th house and Mars transit in your 11th house. You will bless with a small profit from your workplace. There is no doubt. But peace of mind is missing. You are not feeling comfortable. Relationship with your family will be matter of concern. You need to take blessings from your father and mother side. You need to take blessings from your grandfather side. Don't be a part of any argument or litigation in this week. From 1st February to 7th February 2021, you will be a part of any problem, litigation, hurdles. You will see lot of up and down. Mentally, you are not happy. Mentally, you are feeling very low energy. You are not in a comfort zone. Gemini, you need to perform your best. Just keep patience. This is not a right time. Don't invest your money anywhere. Don't invest your money anywhere. Don't start anything new. If you are in job, try to give your best at your workplace. If you give your best, then your seniors will be satisfied. Otherwise, there is a great chances you may lost your job. Gemini, you just perform your best, because this whole week brings a lot of up and down for you. Monday and Tuesday will be a struggling days for you. You will be a part of any problem. You will be involved in any type of arguments with your near and dear. Try to keep good relationship with your parents. Try to touch feet of your father. Your father is your success key. The more you give respect to your elders or father at your home, the more you get good results from your fortune. Wednesday and Thursday, you will feel bit relaxed and better, but you are not feeling comfortable because your source of earning is not as per your expectation. If you are importer exporter, if you are businessman, then this whole weeks will give you a lot of mixed result. You are not feeling comfortable. Your money matters will be up and down. There is a strong chances you may take some loan from government or from any of your family member or your friends. Try to avoid to take any loan. Try to avoid borrowing money from anyone. This is not very rewarding time for you, Gemini. Just read the mantra Om Gan Ganpataye Namah, Om Gan Ganpataye Namah, Om Gan Ganpataye Namah, and must read Shiv Chalisa and Ganesh Chalisa every day morning, and must touch feet of your father and grandfather at your home. Be careful. Don't invest your money. Don't be a part of any argument or any problem. Thank you for watching my video. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, Jai Hind.